I've tried more than 100 Claude skills. Every document skill, every business plugin, the community ones, and the weird ones nobody talks about. I ran them against real work, not demos. Most of them you can forget. A handful are decent, but 8 of them do the work you'd normally pay a person to do. Contracts, pitch decks, financial models, sales, research, a one-page read on your entire business on demand. So I'm handing you the shortlist. No trial and error, the 8 that survived, ranked, plus one bonus at the end that quietly matters more than any skill. And the part nobody tells you. They're free with a paid Claude plan. Sitting in a folder on GitHub most people have never opened. Stick around for number 6. It's the one I open every single morning. So what skills actually are? A quick version, no technical nonsense. A skill is a folder of instructions and scripts. Claude loads it only when your task needs it and then forgets it. So you now have 100 installed and it doesn't slow down anything. Think of it like a filing cabinet. Claude scans the labels, pulls the one drawer it needs, uses it and closes it. Anthropic keeps the official ones in the public repo, which is available at this link. You can read every file before you touch it, which matters because the skill can run code. 2 things to know before we start. 1. Skills are on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise, not the free tier. 2. Turning them on takes about 10 seconds, and I'll show you at the end. Okay, counting down from 8. Number 8, the PDF skill, boring name, quietly one of the most useful for business. It does way more than read a PDF. It fills forms, it merges 10 documents into one, it splits a contract apart, it pulls tables out of a scanned invoice so you can actually work the numbers. Here's the real use. You get a vendor contract as a locked PDF, drop it in, ask Claude to extract every date, dollar figure, and obligation into a clean list. 2 minutes instead of 20. Or the reverse. You have a batch of forms to fill for onboarding a client. Give Claude the data once, it fills all of them. This is the least glamorous skill on the list and probably the one that saves you the most hours in a normal week. That's the money angle. Boring work is gone. Number 7, the PowerPoint skill. If you've ever lost a Sunday building a client deck, this one pays for its subscription by itself. It builds full presentations, layouts, charts, speaker notes, the works. Not ugly template slop either. If you point it at your brand. The workflow that makes money. A prospect asks for a proposal. You feed Claude the offer, the pricing, the case studies. It comes back with a 15-second deck you can tweak instead of build. Agencies charge $500 to a couple of grand for a deck. Freelancers, do the math on how many you can now turn around in a day. This is a service you can sell by tomorrow. Number 6, the one I promised, the Excel skill. This is the workhorse. It builds spreadsheets from real formulas, cleans garbage data, runs the analysis, and charts it. You get a real working file, open it, edit it, and send it. Where it earns its spot, messy data. Everyone has a CSV export that's a disaster. Wrong headers, junk rows, numbers stored as text. Drop it in and ask for a clean version with the totals you actually need. It fixes it and hands you back a proper file. Then, the bigger play, a basic financial model, revenue, costs, a few scenarios. You describe the business, it builds the model, and you still check the logic, but you skip the 4 hours of soul wrangling. That's why it's my daily driver. Most business questions are really spreadsheet questions. Quick heads up, everything so far was the document skills. Useful, but a lot of people have heard of them. The next 3 are different. These aren't single skills. These are full role bundles. Anthropic shipped for knowledge workers. This is the part most videos miss, so keep watching. Number 5, the sales plugin. Anthropic put out a set of role plugins in a second repo called Knowledge Work Plugins. The sales one is a proper go-to-market assistant. It researches a company or a person before your call. It drafts a personalized outreach with a few different angles. It builds competitive battle cards and the standout call prep. Give it who's on the meeting and it hands you a dossier. Company context, recent news, talking points, questions to ask. Here's the important bit. It works standalone. You can paste notes or a pipeline CSV and it just runs. But connect your CRM and email it through a connector and it gets sharper because now it's pulling your real data. If you sell anything or you do outreach for clients, this replaces hours of manual research per deal. Number 4, the finance plugin. Same repo. This one is built for accounting side of a business. Month-end close, journal entries, account reconciliation where it compares your ledger to the bank or sub-ledger and flags what doesn't match. Financial statements with period-over-period comparison, variance analysis, and even audit support. One honest note though, straight from Anthropic's own description, this assists the workflow. It does not give financial, tax, or audit advice. A qualified human reviews the output before anything goes into a real filing. The money angle is simple. Bookkeeping and close work is expensive and slow. This compresses the grind. You still sign off and you get there faster. Number 3, and this is the one for anyone running the whole show themselves, the small business plugin. This bundles 15 skills across finance, sales, marketing, and operations. Lead triage, CRM cleanup, content strategy, handling a complaint, but the flagship is a skill called Business Pulse. Business Pulse pulls from every tool you've connected, all at once, and hands you a one-page snapshot of your business. Cash, pipeline, customers, campaigns, on one screen. And it's built with a safety catch. Anything that touches money or a customer stops and asks you to approve first. So it's fast, but it's not going to email a client or move a dollar behind your back. If you're a founder wearing 8 hats, this is the closest thing to an operations person you can install in a folder. Number 2, this is the one that turns Claude into a real infrastructure for your business. Every skill gets better when your Claude can reach your actual tools, your CRM, your database, your internal API. The thing that wires those is called an MCP connector, and the mcp-builder skill helps Claude build one. It's a skill whose job is building the bridges to your own systems. So instead of Claude wrote me some text, you get Claude pulled live numbers from my own database and did the work. For a business, that second one is everything. You don't need to be an engineer to start. You describe the tool, the skill guides the build, and most people actually never get this far. Number 1, Skill Creator. And once you get it, you'll understand why it's first. Every skill I've shown you is somebody else's workflow in a folder. Skill Creator lets you turn your workflow into one. Your process, your voice, your steps, packaged, so Claude does it the same way every time, forever. Here's the rule that changed how I work. If you're typing the same prompt over and over, that's not a prompt anymore. That's a skill you just haven't built yet. Your proposal format, your reporting style, the exact way you write a cold email, build it once with Skill Creator, and now anyone on your team, or just future you at 2 a.m., gets it right without thinking. That's how you go from using AI to actually owning a system. Everyone else is renting prompts. You are now building assets. So there are also a couple of honorable mentions and how to install them. Fast runner-ups I couldn't fit in. It's a docx skill for contracts and reports. Internal comms for status updates and newsletters. Brand guidelines if you want on-brand output. And the product management plugin, which writes real feature specs and not just templates. Now, how do you actually turn these on? In the Claude web app, you go to Settings, then Capabilities, and you flip on Skills. Done. The document ones are also already there. It really is that simple, guys. In Claude Code, all you do is one line. Plugin, Marketplace, add Anthropic skills for the role bundles, and its Marketplace adds Anthropic/knowledge work plugins. All you do from there is install the one you want, whether that be sales, finance, or small business. Links to every repo are in the description, and all of them are free with your plan. Now, if you stuck around, I've got a couple of bonus connectors. So here's the bonus, and honestly, it's the one thing that separates people who play with Claude from people who actually run their business on it. A skill is the how. A connector is your data. A connector wires Claude straight into the tools you already live in. That's what turns a smart assistant into a colleague who actually knows your numbers. The ones that actually matter for a business, and I've used in my personal capacity, your CRM, HubSpot or Salesforce. Now Claude reads your pipeline, preps your calls off live deals, and drafts follow-ups that actually reference the account. Your inbox and calendar, Gmail and Google Calendar. It triages email, drafts replies in your voice, and books around your real schedule instead of guessing. Your team brain, Slack, Notion, and Google Drive. Claude pulls the decision you made 3 weeks ago, reads your actual documents, and writes the update grounded in real context that is not made up. For finance, and now this is a big one, your data warehouse or ERP. Snowflake, BigQuery, NetSuite. Now Claude queries your real financials and runs the variance analysis on actual trial balances. The answer comes straight back from your books. And for creative teams, Canva and Figma. So the output lands in the real tools you already ship from. If you stack it up, the skill knows the workflow. The connector brings your data. And together, Claude runs like an operator plugged into your whole business. That's the whole point. Start with one connector, the tool that you open most. Wire that in first, and every skill on the list literally gets sharper overnight. So, that's the 8. If you take one, take Skill Creator, because it builds all the others you will ever need. I put together the full list with the install commands and the exact skills I use. Comment the word skills and I'll send it to you for free. And tell me, which one are you installing first? I read every single comment.